Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution.
Hello and welcome to FIXtastic Solutions. In this video I'll show you how you can remove the screen password on Oppo A15s. As you can see, this phone is locked by a screen password, and I'll show you the model of this device. It's an Oppo A15s. As you can see, CPH 2179. So it's running on Android 10 and it's locked by a screen password. In this video I'll show you how you can easily remove its screen password using MTK client tool. It's a free tool that works on many devices. So let's begin. First of all, you have to power off the device. Go to your computer screen. Now launch MTK client tool, and now all you have to do is select your device and the action you want to perform and click start. Now you have to connect your device while holding both of the volume keys and insert the USB cable, and as you can see, our tool is working. Once you see the commands running on the tool, just wait for a few seconds. And now just turn on the device. Okay, so you have to wait for a few minutes after your device will be formatted successfully. Okay, so here you can see the screen password is removed. Now all you have to do is set up your device. In some cases you can see the FRP screen, but if you face any issue like that, you can watch our other video tutorial about FRP bypass. Now we don't have any FRP screen, so we just have to set up the phone and it's ready to use. As you can see, the screen password is removed. Now leave a thumbs up and subscribe the channel.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.